Hi, I'm James Eugene, the window expert. Okay, on this video, I want to respond to some of the comments some people are commenting on a video I made talking about this kind of window. All right, window with this big net track. This is big net track, as you can see. Now, on that video, I explained that it is not good to have this kind of window fabricated and installed, and then of course net will be here, and then after the window you will see burglary. So I explained in that video that it is not good to have that kind of window, right? Because if the net inside here is need to be changed and replaced, that you can't bring this net out. Having a burglary in front of here and the window at the back, right? There is no way you can bring out the net, work on it, and then store it back. And I was getting a whole lot of comments. Some people are saying, you don't know what you are saying. Some are saying it is possible. How will it be possible? A situation whereby you have net that slides here, for instance, and there's a burglary in front like this, right? How will you be able to remove this? And the burglary was installed end to end. It's not as if the burglary was installed outside. It was end to end burglary. So let's not deceive people. The essence of all of these videos is for us to guide each other. When somebody is making a decision and jam your video on Facebook or any social media platform, he or she will be guided to make the right choice. All right. Some of these things, somebody called me from one of the states in Nigeria, and the man based in abroad from Facebook, right? He saw my post on Facebook and then he called me. Now, the man said he want to go and pull out the entire window in his building because that was how they fabricate it. The window came with net and there was burglary in front of it. The man is willing to go home. In fact, he had called the brother to go check the work, send me the video. And after everything, the decision he had taken now is to put the window down and let's do another one, right? Because the net is bad and he can't change it. So let's not confuse people. This thing is not possible. Even if you want to remove this net, there is mullion here. So how will you now be able to remove this? It won't work. There is burglary here, and the design of the burglary also matters. Some people will take the design that is, there is no even, you don't even have a space to put your hand and slide your net. Do you understand? So please, I am doing this video just to respond to some of those comments some of you are making. It is not good. The only one that you can do if your client approve that you should do it for him or her is the one that mostly, like I said on that video, they do it in Southeast. All right? That one is okay for anybody that wants it, provided the net is outside. Now, this is what they do. Inside here, they will put burglary. There is aluminum profile that they will use, and then weld burglary iron inside of it, and then the net stands like this. So when you open your curtain, the first thing you will see is the net. When you slide the net, you will see burglary before the window. That one is okay because you can remove the net, right? But this other one that burglary is in front is the one I said I will never recommend to anybody, because if the net has issue, you cannot change it. Thank you so much for watching. Go ahead and drop your comment under the comment section. I will see it, and then if need be, I will respond to you with a video like this, so that we keep understanding and getting the best knowledge. Thank you so much once again. See you in my next video. Bye bye.